Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today, I'm gonna start getting ready for Daytona Beach Bike Week, and I need to pick up a couple things at, where is it at? There it is, Best Buy. So let's go. So first thing I need to get is a new microphone, and also I want to get a new selfie stick to hold on to the camera with because I don't like mine. I am currently looking at this one, but I don't know if I want this one, so we're gonna figure it out. So I actually kind of don't want to waste your guys' time. I don't want to show you everything I'm getting, but so essentially I'm looking for a new microphone, a new holder for the camera, and I'm also looking for a new memory stick because when I'm going to be down at Daytona, I'm going to be recording a lot of things. So let's go ahead and hop back over to the house and I'll show you what I do end up getting. And so what I did end up getting from Best Buy was the only thing they really had was the actual hard drive that I was wanting, and they didn't even have the exact mini tripod, vlogging tripod that I wanted. So I ended up going with the next best thing because it's still good enough for me, and I'm gonna see how long it actually lasts. I've heard a lot of things from people talking about it may not be the best thing, but it's still gonna get the job done. I hope it lasts as long, if not longer, than people have been saying. But I ended up getting this Gobi 3K tripod. It's like what you see every vlogger using, and so I'm really excited about it. And so I guess other things to talk about since I'm getting ready for Daytona, the other things that I'm really gonna be bringing, and I'm very minimalistic in my camping. I'm really going to be bringing, I'm gonna try not moving too much because you guys are attached to what I'm bringing, what the camera is attached to. You're attached to the thing. I'm bringing my sleeping bag. It's really what I got in Florida. It's a cool weather mummy sleeping bag. It was like 20 bucks, totally worth it. And it packs down relatively small. It can go down even smaller than this. I don't have it zip pushed down all the way and compacted all the way. I am also bringing a little mini seat. Packs up, folds up pretty nicely, and can just lay down, can even fit inside a saddlebag super easily. My little 2-person, 3-person dome tent from Walmart, also super cheap. Highly recommend this because it was literally only, I think, 20 bucks and packs down really tiny. Like, to give you an idea, it fits, it's really tiny. It fits pretty much anywhere that I want it to. I throw this over the top of my sissy bar right there, and then that's going on the rack at the very bottom, and everything else goes on top of that. Holds everything perfectly. I do have this, which is something I just got and highly recommend. This is my pillow. Love this. Look at how freaking tiny this is. Speaking of, I do have one more thing. My air mattress, also super tiny. Powerlix Outdoors. I think this is also Amazon, like 30 bucks or something like that. I try to go for the cheaper stuff just because I don't camp a lot. And so I'm trying to get the stuff that's gonna do what I need it to and not have to break the bank for it. Especially in Florida, it's not gonna be super cold. This is gonna be perfect. It keeps me off the ground, it keeps me off the hard ground, and it's gonna do the job. 30 bucks, 10 bucks, all in. I think all this stuff right here is like under $100 for what you're seeing. And then all the other stuff I'm bringing is gonna be inside of my like suitcase-ish thing. It's gonna be my Saddlemen throw-over passenger bag. I think that's what it's called. It's been in a couple other videos. I can link it down below where I went camping down in the Keys and that you saw me pack that. In there, I'm really gonna be bringing like maybe a shovel, the cooking stuff. I'm gonna be bringing some fire starters, some like essential needs, and then that's also gonna be holding my clothes. And then I'm also bringing another bag, a backpack, that's gonna hold all of my camera stuff for you guys. So I'm gonna make sure I have lots of content coming your way. So this is really just like a nice little quick video, a little fun video for you guys to see. I'm getting ready, I'm getting anxious to come down. And so this video really is kind of just to show that I really am getting really excited for this trip. I'm getting anxious. I'm so excited to come down to Daytona. I'm twitching to come. So just a quick video for you guys. By the time you see this, I will already be down at Daytona, so enjoying myself, and I may already be back. I'm not sure exactly when this video is gonna be, but I may already be back and already editing the Daytona Beach trips. videos. So if you like this video, I know it's a quick one, but make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.